Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today, I'm gonna head over to one of my friend's house. He has a bag truck, and then Edgar with the Blue Man truck is gonna be there too. You know, I'm not gonna talk as much like you guys said in the previous video, but I'm gonna rotate my tires from the front to the back because they're already bald. I'll show you guys right now. But yeah, the front ones are bald already, so I'm gonna switch them over to the back and then switch over the front ones to the back ones to the front. So here, these are bald from here, from the camber wear. Here they're still good, so if I put them in the back, this is still good. And also this side is already showing wire. But as long as I put them in the back, there's gonna be no camber, so all the wear is gonna be here, and I shouldn't have to worry about this. But yeah, the back ones are in better condition than the front ones. Yeah, these have no wear, no nothing. But yeah, I'm gonna head over there, and then I'm gonna swap him out and then help my friend Poochie with the bag truck put his bed back on because he switched his bags and a bunch of other things, but I'll film that and show you that process. Alright, so I made it down to Poochie's garage.
On Saturday.
He replaced his bags. I'm gonna jack mine up. Those are his old bags. But I'm gonna jack mine up and rotate that tire to that side and this one to the opposite side. That's Poochie, Edgar, and yeah, let's get this started. These are showing wire. Not wire, but they're still good. But should put them in the back. I'm gonna throw these in the back now. And then take these ones, swap them out to the other side. Just a quick little video that I wanted to show you guys, just progress and things that I do.
What's his name? Is that the one Ricky's going on?
This one is a little bit.
Because I told him.
No, this one's worse.
Oh no. He's doing it up there now.
So now I'm gonna put this one in the back over there. And then everyone comments something, he just likes it.
Yeah, he doesn't even talk, he just likes everyone's shit.
Are you gonna go to Chubb's?
To what?
No,
You're going? When is it?
November, first weekend of November.
Oh,
Wait, that's in Arizona?
yeah.
State line.
Laughlin.
No.
I'm going Laughlin.
Oh, frick. Laughlin was already passed, fool.
No, but like next time.
Oh. For end of summer?
It's a dope ass show when there's static trucks that go.
Yeah.
Inside the casino.
How far is the drive?
It's state line, right when you enter Nevada, you're an hour away from Vegas. It's all the 15.
Because I don't have too many vacations.
Edgar, can you jack this shit up?
I don't have too much vacation time.
No, it's a one-day show.
Oh, is it?
So the show's on Saturday.
More.
I'm leaving here Friday night after work, and the rooms
More.
are $60 a night, $50 a night.
More.
I'm so going over that.
The rooms are $50 a night.
If
Cheap.
it's one, I thought it was a 3-day, right?
It's a one-day show. It's on a Saturday. Yeah, fool, it's a one-day.
Alright, so I finished installing, not installing, but rotating the tires from the front to the back. Now I don't have to worry about the camber and the wear. Hopefully they wear evenly in the back. But yeah, nothing really too crazy, nothing different, you know, just tires changed and everything. But yeah, and I'm gonna help Poochie. His bed was in the back and his truck's over there, so we're gonna try to throw the bed on. We need one more person because it's a 4 people job, because I think it's heavy. And then after that, hopefully go cruise and show you guys more content of us cruising in our own city in Oceanside. And yeah, we're gonna bring the truck in and take the wheels off and then put the bed on.
Selling limited on the corner, spend the money at the store on some candy in Arizona to fill my belly up. The sugar rush wasn't killing me yet until I grew up. Don't want to lose my footing, so I gotta take care of myself. Invest my time in gaining knowledge, spreading out a little wealth. I want the soulful rhythm blasting out your system to be felt in your body. Who's riding shoddy? Let's run amok and raise some hell. I call it now. This is my last year being broke. The universe is a way of working wonders if you have hope, so I don't lose it. Neither should you. Keep it 100 and move around stupidity, dude. Especially me, I will zoom out of here when I am gone. When my life missions.
Huh? You're what?
I don't know.
What?
Alright, you ready for it?
How'd you guys put it down?
It was easy putting it down.
I wasn't here.
Because Edgar did lift it up, but at the same time we were holding it, and then it went down.
You guys got this.
What are you doing, Andrew?
I'm motivating you guys.
Alright, sick.
Okay, so
Andy, you should be like
So you guys are gonna try to pick up as high as you can.
I wonder if there's a
Start
lift right there.
tilting it towards me.
We'll
Andrew's gonna be down here trying to lift the same thing up.
Alright.
So that this
So that bottom doesn't hit the floor.
Exactly.
Alright,
Yeah,
gotcha.
so that these corners down here. So once they pick it up, you're gonna start trying to pick it up forward towards you, and I'm gonna be back here catching it so that it doesn't bend it.
I swear to
Don't
God.
drop it.
I hope I don't trip.
And then when we,
Nah,
when
we
we
should
turn
both
it,
have clearance right now.
Alright.
and then when they have both handles, like like this, then we can switch positions and grab it from like
no,
here.
grab it from right here.
Like we can put it on the floor once it's
If
up.
we grab it right here, I'm afraid the bottom would just break
Okay, so grab it from where?
from the bottom.
Like way at the bottom.
Okay, so you're gonna grab from the very bottom?
So you're gonna have to squat down.
Oh yeah, we could. Here, lean it back a little bit, Edgar.
Alright, tell me how much.
Oh yeah, there's a lip right here.
Ready?
1, 2.
3. Hold on.
Helping.
Let me fix my. Alright, yeah, good.
Just grab it so I can position go ahead.
Alright, someone has to make sure we know how straight we're going right now.
Well, I think we should just walk forward.
Alright, go. You good, Pooch?
You know you're center because the gas tank.
Alright, so a little to the right. Right there. It should drop.
Oh, the exhaust.
Yeah, it's sitting a little bit on it.
You just catch your breath, it's already on. And then we can just reposition it.
Yeah.
That wasn't too hard.
Felt a lot easier, lighter, huh?
I was thinking it was in your head.
Does he drop it? See right there, it's centered now. It should be centered.
Still needs to go my way.
More that way? Are you sure?
Like in that way? Like this? Like back?
Oh, back?
Back?
Is it too close? Right there?
Yeah. I just don't know how the fucking bolt comes down.
I feel like I
No, you have to put the bolt over and then let it drop.
The bolts should already be in there, though.
I know, but it probably got stuck, so it's probably like this maybe.
Oh, yeah.
So you have to, yeah, so it was just dangling.
See that bolt? Go under there.
There's nothing there either.
Oh yeah, it's not even there.
Did the bolt come out?
Here.
They're probably there, we just can't see them.
They're probably just stuck.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to lift the bed up and someone has to be down there. So Andrew, if you want to be down there.
I gotta move this tire first.
Damn, Pooch, you got a shit ton of rocks down here.
Fabian, come out. And then us three will fix it and then Andrew will go corner to corner try and check the bolts. So if you want to start
Yeah, you're right.
on the back two
bed has to go
corners.
that way.
It has to go this way a little bit.
Edgar, look.
Like my bore bits?
Yeah, look.
And I told them that.
What, the wheel? The
Yeah,
tire?
bubble.
It's because when I had them in the front, when the alignment was
Yeah, how bad it was.
when the alignment, what was it?
It was like this.
It was like this. The wheels were like this.
That's how mine is a little bit right now.
Alright, so Fabian, you're coming on this side?
Fuck, fool. You know what?
What?
I lost all the nuts.
This nigga.
How these go like this.